Okay, so now I've got to spend a few minutes because the next thing I'm going to do is put this cover plate on, this light lens. And before I do that, I'm going to go the extra mile and I'm going to wipe this down. I'm going to get some cleaner and wipe that out and get it all ready. I don't want to take this cover off just yet. I mean, I could, but I'm just going to do one step at a time. Okay, I'm getting this one done. I've got the bulbs up there. They seem to feel nice and snug and everything. And I'm going to call that good. Okay, hoping that I got everything lined up right, which I think I do. And I'm going to get ready to put this cover on. I'll show you that next. Now, my mind says I should get my 8-foot ladder out, set up, so I can reach that whole thing. I'm gonna try this little step ladder first. I have to remember how this clips on. Remember, it only clips on by that clip and that clip on both sides. Okay, that's the only thing. So as long as I get those clipped, okay, let's just see what I can do here. I might use the tall ladder next time, but definitely I got to use the tall ladder for removing the other ones. Oh, got there's some sheetrock mud on the end of this thing. Good grief. Okay, I wiped out the inside. I didn't look on the outside. I guess I could take a look at that later. And the thing with this too is you got to be careful when you're carrying this. Last thing you want to do is lift this up and with too much pressure on one side and then crack it just by lifting up the edge. And you see, I don't. This is as high as I can get, and now it's all about feel. And I think I would feel more comfortable if I was on the ladder, you know. But I'm gonna kind of see what I can do here. Oh, okay. And see, I've got to hold my hand just right. Yeah, see, I'm not up high enough, really. I don't like doing it. I don't like that how it feels, and so I'm gonna do it with the tall ladder, okay? Because I have to kind of pull back on those sides a little bit, and I want to make sure I'm pulling back at the right place so I don't crack it or anything like that, and it's up over my head and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to set the ladder up instead. Okay, let's do it. I got it set up. Hopefully, let's see if I can move this back a little bit. Hopefully you'll be able to see enough. I mean, I'm doing the best I can is all I can do. In fact, maybe I could set the, I think I'm going to set the tripod on top of the washer and see what happens with that.